How you guys doing? All right, so this is a beautiful week for us. So let's dive into the market. Okay, so we take a look on the gold, guys. You see that the market is just breaking all-time high like never before. This is a crazy moment in gold. So we have already amassed like 4,300 plus, close to 4,400. So what are we expecting on the daily chart, guys? So the market actually, if you take a look on this RSI here, this shows a very strong momentum. So what we'll be expecting from here, the market will pushing up, find a balance here, pushing up and all that. So once the market completes this move, it's going to push up again. Okay, so because this is the time for this market to keep pushing. If you take a look, let's go down to 4 hours. Okay, so obviously this is still very bullish on gold, guys. So what are we expecting on the 4 hours is we're expecting for this market to drop. We're expecting the market to drop here and then push up again. So gold is very bullish, guys. And for us traders, there's one thing we discovered that for us to be consistently profitable, you need to focus on few pairs, and for now we're focusing on gold. And the best way we are trading gold here is to trade the ranges. Okay, so what do I mean by that? We focus here and we focus here. Okay, and also we focus here. This 4 hours chart. So once the market breaks above here, because you know that this is a very bullish one, if we close above here, can start taking the market, the price to this. If you close this here, you can take this to this point and all that. So, gold is a very strong pair that, move from one range to another. And if you focus on this, believe in me, you're going to make a lot of money on this. Now, if you're interested in learning how to trade this new range strategy, kindly follow us for more and like and support this channel. Can DM me and I will help you on this. So for gold, from wave and structure, we're expecting it to come to this point, and from there, going to take this move to this. So this is what we're expecting from this pair at the moment. So on the BTC, guys, yesterday we saw the buy opportunities, guys. So we took that buy opportunity, which is still very much valid. Okay, so and this buy opportunity, we're expecting it to at least keep pushing high to a certain level. Okay, we're expecting the buy to come to this point at least. Okay, so something like this is what we're expecting. Then from here, then the market will now decide the next thing to do. But what we are looking at for, we have this impulse here, we have this, let this be a three-wave move, and we have this and this. So from here we can now have one more drop. So this is what we're expecting. Right, so let's see how it goes. But that's something like this is what we're expecting at the moment. Aussie. Okay, so Aussie is also a very interesting one. So what we're expecting on this pair is for the market to keep pushing high from here. So we expect the market to keep pushing high, to come up here. Then from this point, you watch out for the reaction. Either the market is going to keep dropping or you push high again. So something like this we expect on this pair. The pound USD. All right, so this is a very strong one. So what are we expecting? The market, we expect the market to drop to complete this structure, guys. Here, then from this point, we'll find a reason for a buy. Okay, because we have had this impulse correction impulse. So once this drops to this point, watch out for a buy setup. Okay, any confirmation you see at this point, you're going to take it up. It's important to note that it's only gold that we day trade, other pairs will swing. Okay, likewise the Euro USD. Euro USD, we're also expecting it to correct this. Okay, correct this. Then from here the market pushes high. So watch out for this. New Zealand. Okay, so the pair we're expecting to push high. If you've been following us further, that we called for this sell from here, we called for this buy from here, we bought this, we sold this. So at this point we have seen that this is an impulse, this is a correction, this is an impulse. So this is not looking so strong for us, and that's why one more drop might be coming before the market pushes high. So watch out for this. a little correction here before the market pushes high, but we are more bullish than bearish at this point. Euro yen, so we are very much interested in selling this pair, but we are waiting for this to complete, guys. From this angle, we'll be interested in selling the pair downwards. Okay, so this is what we're expecting. So but if you are trading this, you know, in daily charts or in lower time frame, you might decide to buy this, but we're not interested. You're waiting for the market to come to this point, then you sell to fill up this gap. Okay, so this is what we're expecting. Dollar yen. Okay, so likewise here we have the market is a bit bullish, so watch out for this. Okay, watch out for this before the market drops. Likewise, all the yen pairs, we are watching for that, for the market to drop. The pound yen, likewise this, we are expecting this to play out on these pairs too. So all these are correlated kind of. The dollar card, okay, so dollar card is not too clear for us at this point. But we are very much interested in selling than buying at this point, because we have seen that this is a complete structure. It's a complete structure on its own, so watch out for this. The market drops from here, so that's what we're expecting on this pair. When the market completes this wave, it's going to drop, because you have seen that impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. Okay, so this is a complete structure. So from here, we'll be expecting the market to sell. All right, so this is where we'll be drawing the curtain for this week, guys. Now we will have more updates coming your way, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.